Stop talking, please. Those not copy, raise your hand. Please quickly. Can I proceed now? Take question number 20. Take question number 20. Mark it as important. Take question number 20. Consider the following data. Stop talking. Consider the following data. Spot price of the stock 31. Exercise price 30. 3 months European call value 3. 3 months European put value 2.25. Interest rate 10% per annum. Ascertain whether put call parity exists. Is there any arbitrage opportunity existing? If so, how an investor could gain from it? Suppose the value of the put is 1 rupee. How will your answer to be changed? Is a question that is being asked. Okay, now. See, you go to the website, NRC website, and then you see in two places, share segment and then what? Option segment, the prices. Now, for a given share, today, what is the share price? 31 rupees. You went to the option segment where you identify two options. You know two options? Call option, put option. Both the options are having how much term? 3 months term. Both are having how much strike price? 30 rupees. Both are on this same share. And one option, call option, is trading at a premium of 3 rupees. Put is trading at a premium of 2.25. Now I have to check whether this share price, this call price and this put price is proper. Is the pricing proper or is there mispricing or is there imperfection in pricing? I have to check. If there exists what? Imperfection in pricing, I have an opportunity to make a arbitrage profit or a riskless profit. How that can be made is a question all about. Everybody yes or no, tell me. This problem is all about what? Put call parity, arbitrage. Everybody, can we start doing it or not? Now, first. Our first step is to calculate what? Present value of strike price. Can you do it or not? Write down first. Step 1. Step 1. Calculation of present value of strike price. Calculation of present value of strike price. Calculation of present value of strike price. Can you do it together or not? Now, write down. Present value of strike price is equal to formula is equal to what? Strike price into e power minus dr. Strike price into e power minus dr. Can I substitute the number? What is the strike price here? Tell me. 30 rupees. Into e power minus t is how many months here? 3 months. Will I write 3 here? 3 by 12, 3 by 12. Always express in what? Yes. 3 by 12 into what is the interest rate per annum? 0.10. So can you simplify it? 30 into e power minus 0.025. Now 10% per annum. What is for 3 months here? 2.5%. Yes, are you following or not? So 30 into e power minus 0.025. Now let's calculate e power 0.025 is equal to e power 0.025 is equal to formula 1 plus 0.025 power 1 by 1. Are you all doing along with me or not? Plus 0.025 square divided by 2 plus 0.025 cube divided by 6. 1 plus 0.025 by 1 plus 0.025 square by 2 plus 0.025 cube divided by 6. If you can simplify and tell me what is the number here? 1.0253. Let us have it as 1.0253. E power 0.025 1.0253. I want what? E power minus 0.025 is equal to 1 divided by 1.0253. 1 divided by 1.0253. Tell me what the percent value factor? 9753 is equal to 0.9753 equals 0.9753. I hope everybody understanding it or not? Now, PV of X is equal to 30 into 0.9753. 30 into 0.9753. Simplify and tell me what is the number I'm going to get here? 29.26. So the present value of strike price is 29.26. 30 rupees after 3 months is worth how much? 29.236 today. Nothing but I discounted by what? 3 months. Normally I discount by 1 plus R power n. Here I use what? A continuous discounting. That's the only change. Everybody understanding it or not? Now. So can I start doing the remaining part of the solution? Now. Step 1 is over. Can I proceed or not? Next. Step 2. Checking put call parity. Step 2. Checking put call parity. Step 2. Checking put call parity. Checking the put call parity. Shall we do it together? Now, first write portfolio A. Now, is portfolio 1 or portfolio A? Both are 1 and 2 or A and B. Both are what? Same. Portfolio A. Can you tell me what is the value of portfolio A? Tell me the formula. VC plus PV of X. Yes or no? Now, it is VC plus PV of X. Portfolio A value is VC plus PV of X. Now tell me, look at the workbook and tell me what is the value of the call today in the call market. How I got 3 rupees? I search in the market, trading at 3 rupees. Plus, what PV of X? 29.26. 3 plus 29.26 is equal to how much? 32.26. 32.26 is the portfolio A value. 32.26. There's another portfolio B value. Portfolio B value. Answer my question. What is portfolio B value? Tell me. Value of put plus value of share. VP plus VS. Both I can get from the stock market and the option market. VP plus VS. What is VP? What is VS? Tell me. 2.25 plus 31. 2.25 plus 31 is equal to how much? 33.25 is equal to 33.25. Those are back, are you following and writing or not? Now, I want an answer. Is the price satisfying parity or not satisfying? The call price, the put price and share price together are not meeting what? The parity condition. That means what? There exists an opportunity. What opportunity? Arbitrage opportunity. Yes or no? Right now, next step. The security prices. When I say the word security, how many securities are there? 3 securities. Call, put and share. Okay, that's why I use the word plural, prices. Okay, the security prices are not satisfying the parity. The security prices are not satisfying the parity. The security prices are not satisfying the parity. Are not satisfying the parity. Hence what exists? Arbitrage exists. Hence arbitrage exists. Hence arbitrage exists. Up to this, everybody following in order now. First I calculate present value of strike price for the computation say, then check the put call parity, absent, what is present? Arbitrage is present. Okay, now please listen here. I have 2 portfolios. What is a portfolio? Group of assets. What portfolio? Group of assets. I have 2 portfolios, A and then what? B. Look at this and tell me, A is undervalued, B is overvalued. Now, vibrancy வேணும்பா. Yes or no? Now, A is undervalued, B is what? Overvalued. Something is undervalued, what you will do? Overvalued? So I am going to buy portfolio A, I am going to sell portfolio B is my strategy. Ennappa, right or not? Yes, sir. What is my strategy? Buy portfolio A and sell portfolio B. Let's elaborate this strategy. Inside portfolio B, two securities are there. What are two securities? Put option and then what? Share. So I'm going to sell portfolio B or not. So tell me, what is selling portfolio B means what? Sell a put option, sell a share. Otherwise, write a put, short sell the share is selling portfolio B. In the way, so no. In portfolio A, what is that? Okay, don't say cash. In a call option only market asset. Cash is only a liquid asset. Balance me, yes or no? In the portfolio is having what? Call option. So what I should do? Buy a call option. So buying portfolio A means buying a call option or holding a call option. Yes or no? And selling portfolio B means what? Writing a put and short selling a share. Innappa, right or not? Now, this is my strategy. Now tell me the strategy. Three things I am doing now. I go to three markets, do three things. What are three things here? Short sell a share, hold a call, write a put. Yes or no? What are three strategies here? Short sell a share, hold a call, write a put. Why I hold a call? I buy portfolio A. Why I short sell a share, write a put? I sell portfolio B. So the strategy is hold a call, short sell a share and write a put is an arbitrary strategy. Everybody, are you all following what I am saying? Yes, sir. Let us see what is going to happen in the next stage. Did you understand the strategy identification? Write down next step 2 or step 3? Step 3. Write down step 3. Identification of arbitrage. Identification of arbitrage strategy. That's much better. Identification of arbitrage strategy. Identification of arbitrage strategy. Identification of arbitrage strategy. Underline that. Can I start up? Now. Portfolio A is undervalued. Portfolio A is undervalued and portfolio B is overvalued. Portfolio A is undervalued and portfolio B is overvalued. Portfolio A is undervalued, portfolio B is overvalued. Therefore, we should what? Buy portfolio A. Therefore, we should buy portfolio A and what? Sell portfolio B. Therefore, we should buy portfolio A and sell portfolio B. And sell portfolio B. Are you following or not? Now, next line, separate line. Buy portfolio A means, buy portfolio A means, in portfolio A, what is the only security that is trading? A call. Buy portfolio A means buy a call option. Buy portfolio A means buy a call option. Bracket la hold a call. Bracket right, hold a call. Hold a call. Second line, separate. Sell portfolio B means, second line right, sell portfolio B means, sell portfolio B means, can you tell me what is sell portfolio B means? What? Short sell a share, short sell a share, short sell a share and what? Sell a put. Short sell a share and sell a put option. Short sell a share and sell a put option. Short sell a share and sell a put option. Bracket, what is selling a put option? Write a put option. Short sell a share and sell a put option. Bracket, what is selling a put option? Write a put option. Bracket right, write a put option. Bracket close. Please stop talking. Can I proceed? Now. Write down. To consolidate, the overall strategy is to consolidate, the overall strategy is short sell a share, the overall strategy is short sell a share, hold a call. The overall strategy is short sell a share, hold a call, and what? Write a put. Short sell a share, hold a call, and write a put. Short sell a share, hold a call, and write a put. Everybody, I have the clarity or not? Now. So can you go for the next stage? Now. Step 3 or step 4? Step 4. Cash flow at spot. Today what happens? Cash flow at spot. Step 4, cash flow at spot. Okay. Now, today I go to all of you listen, tell, and then write cash flow at spot. Underline that. Now, today I go to two markets. What two markets? Share market, option market. I go to the share market to buy a share or sell the share. Buy the share or sell the share. Buy the share or sell the share. Sell the share. All of you. At what price? It's simple. How to teach you? How much? 31. Yes or no? No. Today go to the share market, sell the share for 31. This 31 is inflow or outflow? Inflow. Now, I go to next what market? Option market. I go to put option, buy the put, sell the put, sell the put. At what premium? 2.25. Premium paid or received? Received. I go to the call option, buy or sell? Buy. What is the amount here? 3 rupees. Is premium paid. So I have 2 inflows, 1 outflow. What are 2 inflows? 31 share sale proceeds, 2.25 put premium received, 3 rupees call premium paid. Ennappa right or not? Now write down cash flow at spot. Cash flow at spot. 2.25 plus 31 minus 3. 2.25 plus 31 minus 3 is equal to how much cash flow at spot? 30.25. 2.25 plus 31 minus 3 is equal to 30.25. Is equal to 30.25. Can I proceed? Now, what is this 2.25? Sale value from put or put premium received. This 2.25 is put premium received. 2.25 put premium received. What is the 31? Share value, sales value of shares. 31 sales value of shares. Sales value of shares. What is 3 rupees? Call premium paid. 3 rupees is call premium paid. Now tell me 30.25 is net inflow or net outflow? What I will do with this 30.25? Put in pocket or? What I will do? Deposit. Continue writing. Deposit. Deposit the above 30.25. Deposit the above 30.25 at what percent? 10%. Deposit the above 30.25 at 10% for 3 months. Deposit the above 30.25 at 10% for 3 months. At 10% for 3 months. Yes or no? Everybody listening or not? Now, can I proceed further? Now, see here. Now, today, what I have done is, I have deposited how much money? 30.25 at what percent? 10% for 3 months. Apart from that, in my hand, I am holding what? I am holding what? A call option. I am holding what? A call option. I have short sold what? Share. I have written a put option. All these are my positions. So no. So 4 things. Remember here. What are 4 things here? I am holding a call. I am holding a cash. I am holding a call. I am holding a cash. Equal to how much? 30.25. I have short sold a share. Also what? Return a put. This is the issue. Everybody, yes or no? Can I proceed? Now. Let us see what is going to happen on maturity date. Okay. I have a broad discussion before I put the slide on maturity date. See. I will discuss, no need to copy, then we can just put in the slide, then we can just confirm and do it once again. Okay, now, On maturity date, same story. Two things can have. What are two things here? FSP greater than X, FSP less than X. Ennappa, right or not? FSP greater than X, FSP is what? Less than X. Now, see, I am a holder, writer. I am a holder and writer. I hold what? Call. I write what? Put. So I'll just write. I am having a call holding. I am having what? I am having a put writing. Yes or no? Now, here I will decide. Here what? My other party will decide. In the right or not? Now, please think and tell me. Shh. On the maturity date, if the FSP is more than what? Strike price. If FSP is more than what? Strike price. I will exercise the lapse. I'll exercise the call and buy the share at what price here? Strike price. Can you tell me what is strike price in this problem? Pastor, what is strike price here? 30. So, I'll exercise the call and buy at what? 30 rupees strike price. Yes or no? Now, I buy the what? Share at what? 30 rupees. In the budget or not? Now, if the FSP is less than strike price, exercise and lapse are lapse. I allow the call to lapse. In the budget or not? Now, come to the other option. I am a writer of the put also, right or not? Now, in this case, with the put holder, exercise and lapse are lapse. Because there's a right to sell at a lower price, a share what? Higher price. Put will what? Lapse. Can we exercise or not? Yes. He will exercise and sell to me the share at what price? Strike price. So what I should do? I have an obligation to buy at what? Strike price. So what I'll do is, I buy the share at what price here? 30 rupees. Yes or no? Now, from this two things happens here. Whether the FSP is more than X or what? Less than X, I always buy at 30. Correct? Everybody, yes or no? Whether the FSP is what? More than strike price or what? Less than strike. If the FSP is more than strike price, then the call is going to protect me for buying at what? 30 rupees. Yes or no? Now, when FSP is less than strike price, don't think an exchange allow the call to last and buy in open market because the put holder makes me buy at what? 30. Here he makes me buy at 30. Here I am going to have a right to buy at what? 30. I am locked at a price of 30 rupees. It is as good as a forward contract. It is as good as what? Forward contract. The call holding ensure that I don't pay more than 30. Yes or no? And the put writing ensures that I don't pay less than what? 30. That means I am locked to a price. How much to pay is 30 rupees through this holding a call and writing a put. Yes or no? That means on maturity date, surely I will buy a share. By paying how much to pay is 30 rupees. Why should I buy a share? I short sold it to close the short portion. Yes or no? Real fun what I am saying. I short sold the share or not? Correct. Short selling, what I should do? Buy and return back to the broker. I have to square off the short portion. Am I right or not? In that case, how can I square off the short portion? By buying the share. How I buy the share? By exercising call option in the scenario. Or what? The writer makes me, the holder makes me buy the share for the put option. Anyhow, I will buy the share at 30 rupees. In the right or not? Now, to how I would say, why should I buy the share? To close my short portion. To buy the share require money or not? Where to go for it? Deposit at 30.35 today. Are you following the link or not? So, I deposit at 30.25. It matures along with interest to what? Some money. Out of that money, I buy the share. How much rupees here? 30 rupees. Either by exercising my call or honoring my put. The 30 rupees share bought will be returned back to what? The short seller. Because I short sold the shares. I square off my short portion. Anything extra will be the arbitrage profit. Everybody, are you following the scheme of things or not? The strategy, no. Now, can I proceed further? Now, let's go for the numbers in detail. Okay, now, don't copy, participate. I'll give you time to copy once it has been done. Okay, what are two situations here? FSP more than X, FSP less than X. All some same story. We started doing this from long ago. FSP more than X, FSP less than X. Now, as a call holder, FSP more than X, what I will do? Exercise a call and buy the share at 30 rupees. FSP less than X. Allow the call to lapse. Put option, I am a holder or writer. I will command obey. FSP more than X. He will exercise a lapse. So nothing is going to happen. Put holder will allow the option to lapse. FSP less than X. What happens here? He will exercise. He will sell to me at what? 30. I am an obligation to buy at 30. I buy the share at 30 because put will be exercise, pay 30 and purchase the share. Now tell me at the end of this what happened? I have paid 30, purchase one share. Yes or no? Where to go for 30 rupees? Pickpocket. Where to go for it? Already what? Deposit that. So the delivery, this is deliver the share, purchase to square of the short position. Now, what is the maturity value of the investment here? I deposited 30.25. Get about? At how much percent? 10%. How many months here? 3 months. Only we had e power 0.03 is 1.0253. Now, so 30.25 into 1.03 will become 31.02. When I deposit today 30.25, it matured to what? 31.02 always. So I have 31.02 in my hand. I paid how much to purchase my share? 30 rupees. What is my profit here? 1.02. This is what we call as the arbitrage profit. Respond, yes or no? This profit is certain or uncertain? Because this is 100% sure, it can never be what? Below this 1 point, it is a certain profit. This profit is earned today, after 3 months. Profit is earned after 3 months. For everything, for earning that has been decided what? Today itself. It does not depend on any future cash flow. So no. This profit does not depend on FSP. Whatever may be the FSP, I get 30. Whatever may be the FSP, I will be getting what? 31.02. I pay 30 irrespective of FSP, I get what? 31.02 irrespective of FSP. So 1.02 does not depend on the share price at all. I have a guaranteed profit of 1.02. It cannot be above, cannot be below. It is a locked in profit. Everybody, yes or no? No. Now, one help. What is the profit after 3 months? 1.02. Now, please tell me the present value of profit. Present value of profit is equal to 1.02 into, you calculate the PV factor for 3 months is how much? 0.9753. Into 0.9753. Tell me what is the number here? Point? 0.99 is 0.99. How does what? 0.99. 2 decimals. Yeah. The percent value is 0.99. Tell me what is the portfolio A value? Now what is the portfolio A value? 32.26. What is the portfolio B value? 33.25. What is the difference here? 0.99. That's what I made as a profit. Yes or no? Because one is underpriced, this is what? Overpriced. Now, after a long time you have clapped here, I think now only you understood. Yes or no? Till now you are afraid. The government get him there. Can I go see? No. So this is a put call parity arbitrage. I think I'll be able to understand or not? Now, please. Step 2 or step 3 or step 4? Okay, step 5. Okay. On maturity date. Please. Copy this quickly. On maturity date, copy this quickly. Don't talk. Please. Should I switch off the AC? Finish copying, huh? Always, please. In examination, understand that more elaborate the answer, more they can understand what you are trying to say. It should be always lucid. Otherwise, even if you make a mistake, they don't know what you are trying to do. No. So, generally, exam presentation is nothing called as presentation. All presentation are good as long as it's self-explanatory. So, that is, when they read your answer sheet, one should be able to understand what you are trying to say or what explain. More of words is always good rather than what, because always people write in bullet points, they try to what, condense things. So, that is a bad habit, both for profession as well as what, exams. One should write eloquently the answer, there should be more words, it should be communicative, because ultimately we are communicating your views on the answer sheet, yes or no? It will be as elaborate as possible. If you write this way, then the person correcting it will be understanding the answer much more better. Okay. Last step, yeah? Okay, sorry, it is 31.02. I think left 31.02 minus 30. Please. Last book profit na 31.02 minus 30. That 0.02 is missing. Write down. Check. Write down. Check. Check. The profit earned after 3 months. Stop down. The profit earned after 3 months is. The profit earned after 3 months is. The profit earned after 3 months is what? 1.02. The profit earned after 3 months is 1.02. The present value of the profit is equal to, the present value of the profit is equal to 1.02 into e power minus 0.025. The present value of the profit is equal to 1.02 into e power minus 0.025. Which is equal to 1.02 into 0.9753. This number already had a step number 1, okay? 1.02 into 0.9753. 1.02 into 0.9753 is equal to how much? 0.99. Present value of the profit is equal to 0.99. Next, this is nothing but, please, this is nothing but the difference between, this is nothing but the difference between the two portfolio values. This is nothing but the difference between the two portfolio values. This is nothing but the difference between the two portfolio values. That is, can tell me what minus what? 33.25 minus 32.26. 33.25 minus 32.26. 33.25 minus 32.26 is equal to how much? 0.99 is equal to 0.99. If the parity is satisfied, what the profit I can earn? 0. The difference is obviously what? 0. If I do all this, I will be ending up only with 0 profit. Can I proceed? Now, we have one more question here. Now, the question continues. What is the change question here? Point C. Suppose the value of the put is 1. How would your answer to be changed? Can I proceed or not? Write down next. Step 5 or step 6 or step 7? What is there? Step 6. Write down. Step 6. Checking put call parity equation. Please. Step 6. Checking put call parity equation if. Checking put call parity equation if the put option value is rupee 1. Now we have 2.25 na, it changed to what? 1 rupee. Checking put call parity equation if the put option value is rupee 1. If the put option value is rupee 1. If the put option value is rupee 1. Everybody understanding or not? Now, underline that. Write one by one. Portfolio A value. Portfolio A value is equal to formula. Portfolio A value is equal to what? VC plus PV of X. Portfolio A value is equal to VC plus PV of X. VC plus PV of X. Can I proceed? Now, which is equal to, tell me what is the value of the call. I want to hear everybody noise. What is that? How much price here? 3 rupees. Plus, what is the present value of strike price here? 29.26. 3 plus 29.26. That value will not change because nothing has changed there. Okay, 3 plus 29.26 gives how much? 32.26. 3 plus 29.26 is equal to 32.26. I think you are all following or not? Now, portfolio B value. Portfolio B value. What plus what? VP plus VS. VP plus VS. What is VP? 1 rupee. We change the question na 1 rupee. What is the value of the share? 31. 1 plus 31 is equal to 32. 1 plus 31 is equal to 32. Answer me, is the put call parity present or absent? Absent. I know put call parity absent. Put call parity absent. Hence arbitrage present. Put call parity absent. Hence arbitrage present. Put call parity absent. Hence arbitrage present. Arbitrage present. Can I proceed or not? Now, answer me. Which portfolio is underpriced? Which is overpriced? Portfolio B underpriced. Portfolio A overpriced. Strategy is what? Buy portfolio B, sell portfolio A. What is inside B? Put and share. What is strategy? Buy put, buy share. What is inside A? Call. What you should do? Sell call. Tell me what is the strategy here? Buy put, buy share and sell call. Can you tell me technically buy the put means what? Hold the put, buy the share, write a call. Yes or no? It's going to be the strategy. Everybody yes or no? Now, same problem. 2 strategies are now discussed. One comprehensive sum. Can I proceed or not? Right now. Next. Step 7. Step 7. Right now, step 7. Identification of arbitrage strategy. Step 7. Identification of arbitrage strategy. Step 7. Identification of arbitrage strategy. Identification of arbitrage strategy. Shall I proceed or not? Write down. Portfolio A is overvalued. Portfolio A is overvalued and portfolio B is undervalued. Portfolio A is overvalued and portfolio B is undervalued. Portfolio A is overvalued and portfolio B is undervalued. Next line. Therefore, can you tell me therefore what? Sell A and buy B. Therefore, sell A and buy B. Next line. Selling portfolio A means selling call option. Selling portfolio A means selling call option. Bracket la, what is selling option? Call option? Writing call. Selling portfolio A means selling call option. Bracket write what? Writing call. Bracket close. And buying portfolio B means, please fill in the blanks. Buying portfolio B means what? Buying put and buying share. Buying portfolio B means buying put, bracket right, holding put. Buying portfolio B means buying put, in bracket right what? Holding put, bracket close, and what? Buying share. Buying put and buying share. Buying put and buying share. Everybody, are you having the clarity or not? Now, write down overall strategy. Let's consolidate here and then go to the next step. Overall strategy. Hi friend, right? Tell me what is the summarized overall strategy? What is strategy here? Hold a put, either hold a put, write a call, hold a put, write a call, and what? Buy a share. Hold a put, write a call, and buy a share. Hold a put, write a call, and buy a share. Write a call and buy a share. I hope everybody are understanding the strategy or not? Now, step 7 or 8? 8. Can you guess what is step 8? What is step 8? Guess panniya, thungalena, cash flow at spot. Step 8 is cash flow at spot. Step 8 is cash flow at spot. Okay. Don't write, tell and then write. I go to 2 markets. First I go to what market? Share market. Share market, I am selling share, buying a share. At what price? At what price? Yeah? 31. I pay 31 in the share market to buy the share. Yes or no? No. The 31 inflow, outflow, outflow. I go to option market. I see put option. What is strike price? What is a premium? 1 rupee. Put option, I am going to sell or buy. I pay how much premium? 1 rupee. So I spend 31 rupees to buy the share. I spend 1 rupee to what? Buy the put. And call option, holder or writer. Pay or receive premium. Receive premium. How much going to receive here? 3 rupees. That means how many outflows? How many inflows? 2 outflows, 1 inflow. Name the 2 outflows. Purchase price of share 31. Purchase price of put 1. Next is what? Premium on call received 3. So 31 plus 1 minus 3 gives you what? 29. Is a net inflow or net outflow? Net outflow. Where to go for the 29? Borrow. And how much percent? 10%. How many months here? 3 months. Is a cash flow spot discussion. Everybody, are you understanding it or not? Can I proceed further? Now, write down. Next cash flow at spot. Write down. One by one. Share purchase price. I'll dictate it. I think last time you found it difficult to put arrow mark and write now. So I'll just dictate it. Share purchase price is equal to. Cash flow spot you're writing. In the right, share purchase price is equal to. You all participate and tell me what is the amount? 31. Share purchase price is equal to 31. This number. Next. Put premium paid is equal to. Brother, put premium paid is equal to how much rupees? 1. Put premium paid is equal to 1. Next is what? Call premium received. Minus 3. Inflow should reduce outflow. Na? Call premium received minus 3. That's an inflow. Call premium received minus 3. Credit the income against the expense. Now, call premium received is minus 3. Tell me the net payment. What is the net payment? 29. Net payment 29. Or net outflow 29. Net outflow 29. Where to go for 29? Next line. Borrow. Next line. Borrow 29 at 10% 3 months. Borrow 29 at 10% 3 months. Borrow 29 at 10% 3 months. Can I proceed or not? Now, please. We will discuss like the last problem and then proceed. Now, let's discuss and then put on the slide. On maturity date, after 3 months, same old story, what can happen? FSP greater than X, FSP less than X are the 2 things that can happen on maturity date. Yes or no? Now, I am having 2 options. What 2 options here? Call option, put option. Tell me my portion. I am a holder, writer, holder and writer. Holder and writer. I am a writer of call. I am a holder of put option. So now I'll just say I am a writer of what? Call. I am what? Holder of put option. What's my strike price? 30. All of you think and tell. Don't sleep. Don't be lazy to once again think same thing again and again. Everybody, good morning friends. Good morning, sir. Alert or not? Now, so look, first step. FSP more than strike price. Share is trading at the price higher than 30. Tell me, as a call option, I will decide. The other party decides. Will he exercise a lapse? He has a right to buy a 30 a share or 35 a 40. No, he will exercise a lapse. Exercise. When he exercises, he is going to buy a seller. He is going to what? Buy. I have what? Obligation to sell. So what I will do? I sell the share at how much rupees here? 30 rupees. Why I sell? Due to right to obligation or obligation. Since I am writing a call, I am having an obligation to sell at what? 30. Even FSP is more than 30, he will exercise. I have an obligation to sell at 30. So no, I sell the share at 30. FSP less than X, will the other party exercise and lapse? Lapse. So nothing is going to happen. It or not? Now, look at this next step. Now, I am a holder of the put, writer, holder. I have a right to sell at what? 30 rupees. Tell me, I will decide, other party, I will decide. FSP more than X, exercise or lapse? Lapse. Because I have a right to sell at 30 a share or 35 or 40 lapse. Second is what I will do? Exercise. What I will do? Sell the share at how much rupees here? 30 rupees. That means, whatever may be the FSP, whatever may be what? FSP. I always sell the share at how much rupees? 30 rupees. Ennappa, right or not? If the FSP is higher, what happens here? The call holder makes me sell at 30. Yes or not? If the FSP is what? Lower. As a put holder, I have a right to sell at what? 30. I have an obligation to sell at 30. I have a right to sell at 30. I am locked at 30 rupees. Yes or no? In that case, I will always sell my share at how much rupees? 30 rupees. Irrespective of what is happening to the FSP. Point number one. Yes or no? Now, why should I sell a share? I have borrowed money. I have to what? Repay the borrowing. Yes or no? No. I have borrowed 29 rupees or not. How I can repay the borrowing along with the interest? Only by what? Selling the share. So by selling the share, I get 30 rupees or not. Use this to what? Repay my borrowing. Any difference is arbitrage profit. Everybody, are you following the strategy or not? Then now, can I proceed further? Now, let's do it together. You take lot of copying time. Correct? No. Right down. Now, step 7, 8, 9. Quick. Step number 9. Action on maturity date. Step number 9. Action on maturity date. Two situations. Particulars. FSP more than X. FSP less than X. Shall we start? Can I proceed? No. Call option. You want in bracket, right? Right. I am writing it not, so writing the call option. Bracket, you write, right. Can I proceed? Now, who will decide? Holder. He will exercise or lapse? Exercise. So I have an obligation to sell at 30. Write down. Holder will exercise call. Holder will exercise call. Hence, sell one share for rupees 30. Holder will exercise call. Hence, sell one share for rupees 30. This I am doing out of right obligation or obligation. I have an obligation to sell at 30 when he exercises it. Okay, holder exercise call. Hence, sell one share at 30. Second is what? Holder will allow the call to lapse. Holder will allow the call to lapse. Holder will allow the call to lapse. Second is what? Put holding. I am not only a writer of a call, I am a holder of a put, put holding. Will I exercise or lapse? Lapse. What I will do? Allow the put to lapse. I am only deciding, so I need not mention any other party. Allow the put to lapse. Allow the put to lapse. Second case, FSP less than X. Will I exercise or not? Yes. Exercise put option. Exercise put option and sell one share for rupees 30. Exercise put option and sell one share for rupees 30. Exercise put option and sell one share for rupees 30. And sell one share for rupees 30. Everybody, are you understanding it or not? Now, next. Repay borrowing. Repay borrowing. How much I borrowed? 29. When I repay 29, no. Along with what? Interest. So repay borrowing. 29 into E compounding we do. Yes or no? 1.0253. Number cut up. 29 into 1.0253. 29 into 1.0253 is equal to 29.73. 29 into 1.0253 is equal to 29.73. Same way there also 29 into 1.0253 is equal to 29.73. 29 into 1.0253 is equal to 29.73. 29.73. Can I proceed or not? Now. Next. I have 30 repaid what? 29.73. The balance is what? Book profit. Book profit. 30 in hand. 29.73 pay. What the profit balance? 0.27. Book profit 30 minus 29.73 0.27. Second case also what? 30 minus 29.73 0.27. Book profit 0.27. Uncertain profit, certain profit. The profit is earned today what? Tomorrow what? Tomorrow. But everything to earn it has been decided what? Today. My question is, I sell my share at 30 na? Does it depend on the FSP or doesn't depend on? Doesn't depend. I have to repay 29.73. Depends on FSP or not? No. Both are not dependent on share price. Hence the profit is what? Guarantee. Can I check it or not? Write down. Next. Check. Check. Present value of the profit is equal to one single calculation. Present value of profit is equal to present value of profit is equal to 0.27 into point. You calculate already P. How much is it? 0.9753. 0.27 into 0.9753. So look, what is the number? 0.26. The present value of profit is 0.26. Present value of profit is 0.26. Can you tell me what is the portfolio A value and portfolio B value? 32.26, 32. The difference is what? 0.26. Right? Is nothing but, there is nothing but the difference between, it is nothing but the difference between the two portfolio values. It is nothing but the difference between the two portfolio values. It is nothing but the difference between the two portfolio values. Difference between the two portfolio values. Everybody, are you having the clarity or not? With this, we complete this particular discussion about a concept called as put call parity equation. Now, question number 21, I'll give it as homework. I'll give the question as what? Homework. Now, you can note down the profit amount. You can check it later. Okay, it is the same type of problem here. Call option, put option. Please, let's read the question. No validation doing it once again. Just for practice given. Okay. Call option, put option. What the strike price of call and put? Same 50. What the price of the share? 60. What the price of call and put? 60 into. Same share, same strike price. Also what? Same maturity date. In that case, they should be satisfying the put call parity. If not, one can make an arbitrage gain out of it. Now, let's give you the solution. Please. Shh. Right now, arbitrage profit is equal to, arbitrage profit, like in the book itself, arbitrage profit is equal to 2.84. Arbitrage profit is equal to 2.84. Don't ask me strategy and all, you should find out. What is the arbitrage profit? 2.84. Okay. Something similar to what has been done now. Okay. Now, with this we complete this concept called as put call parity theory. Okay. Now, next we go into that next issue called as option valuation models. Please. Shh. Now, take the notebook. I gave the learning objectives for this chapter options. If you remember, after I completed basics in options, I gave the learning objectives. Yes or no? Now, please, one of you give me the learning objective sheet, please. Please. Shh. Stop talking. Objective number 1, basics in option. We did first 7 problem. Has been completed or not? Yes. Option strategies like straddles, triangles, spreads have been discussed. Point number 2, over or not? Yes. Understanding concept of short selling already discussed in the portfolio. Notes also has been given. Continuous compounding also has been discussed. Point number 3, over. Please. Point 4. Theoretical boundaries for European call option and put option. That is maximum value, minimum value along with the arbitrates has been discussed in the last class. Right now. Today's class, put call parity equation and its arbitrates has now been completed. Yes or no? Now, out of 8 segments in this particular chapter, how much has been completed? 5 has been completed. Now we go for the 6th one. Lot of water, can I say it now? So don't rag me, can I say it now? 8 la 5 only over, balance what? 3 is left, please. Shh. Now, we have 3 more areas. In the next one is very important. That is called as what? Option valuation model. We are going to discuss 4 models: binomial, risk neutralization, 2-period binomial, and then Black-Scholes model are the models we are going to discuss in the next stage. Okay, please. Shh. Understand that we are doing a very, very elaborate discussion regarding the options. Okay, derivative segment itself will be discussed elaborately. Not only derivative, portfolio also discussed what? Elaborately only. We do because every learning objective what we discuss is one chapter in a book called as Hull. Okay, you all can also buy and read it. The book is John C. Hull is the book. That's a, we can say it is like a Bible for what? The derivative segment, that is options and futures and swaps. A very well written book. In that every learning objective is what we discuss is a condensed one chapter in that particular book, where we move to the next issue called as what? Binomial model for option valuation. Okay, now please. Shh. Why you are talking? Mudiliya, tired. Okay, now understand that. I just don't want to say, but you make me say, you understand that you are not understanding the value of discussion. Frank, I say here, lot of seminars, advertisement comes. Option, you are going to make expert in what? Option, seminar, 2 days, 20,000 rupees charge. Netla by barba. Option, charge how much rupees? 20,000 rupees. Content is not even 25% what we discuss. Now, it is not even what 25% of what we discuss. Inga 9,000 rupees full portfolio, full options, full derivatives. Now, you are not understanding it. If you look there, you will see how elaborately we are discussing it. So, I am discussing what? So elaborately. Even market angle will show the quotes and discuss. Are you following what I am saying? So it is discussed very elaborately. And understand, if you don't learn it now, then you have to pay heavy price to learn it. That's what I am saying. Because it is once again what? 20,000 plus you have to learn. That you have to understand that the value first. Now, hard work only is required. Now, see, money doesn't matter here. Because you are not a professional. You are what? Students. For you, nobody should charge 20,000. It is unfair. So knowledge should be always disseminated what? Free. But people should live. In that case, they will charge fees, but not about fees. I am saying only about the value. How people want to know all these concepts. Now, it is not it is an institute that gave us opportunity. CA Institute syllabus has been included all this. It is not like how you read a CFA. We are now reading what? That is, I can say again, frankly, CFA modules I have scanned through it. Yeah. Most of the aspects discussed, whether in capital budgeting or portfolio or options, we have covered everything. I just covered what? Everything, and even go for what? CF. I cannot say ethics and all. In that economics and all, I don't discuss. I speak only about what? Finance, this part alone. Everything is getting what? Discussed. Opportunity is given by the institute. Institute has given that opportunity because institute is having the syllabus only, we are all teaching. Syllabus we won't teach yes or no. In that case, you don't have opportunity to read all this concept. They're giving you the opportunity. Don't leave it as choice. It's optional. Option should never be what? Option. It should be compulsorily exercised. Yeah, right what I'm saying now. Always understand that syllabus for any subject for that matter is giving you opportunity to learn. If you miss learning now, then you have to pay once again heavy price for learning, because we go to say some employment, finance or somewhere, and they ask you to learn this, then you have to pay money. That nobody will be sitting and teaching so elaborately. They'll only come and give overall view and go. Nobody will be doing sums one by one. All those opportunity comes only during what? The student days. It comes only during what? I don't say MTH area. I say all the CA students reading what? CA curriculum. You're forced to read all this. Make use of this to read all this so that later you'll be having, you can build upon the base. Always understand that all knowledge, first time you should read very deeply so that later developments can be what? Easily, whether it is standards, okay, whether it is standards 30, 31, 32 or any standards, don't read this standard not regularly asked, the theory only enough, okay, I'll by heart and what? Go on, write it. That should not be attitude, because all this is going to be the lifetime investment once again. We read now itself on thoroughly. Now, I may be wrong, that is, or I may not be popular to you for this statement, but still I say, suppose a person feels, sir, this examination time is very short. Time is what? Very short. I am not able to read properly the syllabus. It is better to what? Skip my exam and read thoroughly. Only for student who feels I will be able to do justice. Otherwise what? Exam gives you pressure. I am just giving a way of understanding. What Gandhiji said is, he was preparing for what? Law examination. Law examination, okay, and he did not prepare well. He did not go for what? Exam. Not like us lazy. He said, I have not done justice. I need not go. If I pass also what? It is dishonesty. It is what? Dishonesty. And he felt that one should know everything to what? Pass the exam. Ultimately, whether he know or not an issue. It's only a spirit that is important. Now, so we should be studying all this sincerely. Now, always. In the option both the bulb I have seen number of batches. The problem is again repeating same numbers, same words, we get immune. Understand? We get what? Immune. For 22 hours, same thing he was saying. I'm not able to differentiate what he is saying. Okay, that should not be the issue. Carefully follow to what differentiate what we discussed in the previous segment and next segment. Okay, now we go for the next area called as option valuation models. Okay. See, we started discussing about the value of call and put option. The word value means what? Appropriate premium. It is what? Appropriate premium. If you have noticed, till now I did not say how to value a call. I only say call value should not be below this, should not be above this. Call, put, share value should be what? Satisfying equation. So I've been saying these all should be satisfied. Nobody gave you an idea about how to value a call. How to value a put option, how to value a call option. Nobody has given you an idea about the valuation of a call, valuation of put. Yes or no? People gave us idea about share valuation. Gordon said value of the share, P0 is equal to what? P0 is equal to what? What formula? E into 1 minus B divided by what? KE minus BR. Yes or no? Recollecting, no. And Walter said value of the share P0 is equal to what? D plus R by KE into E minus D divided by KE. Mardigal and Miller said value of the share is what? NP0 is equal to what? Solly, P1 into what? N plus M minus I plus E divided by what? 1 plus KE. We have a single dividend model, P1 plus D1 divided by what? 1 plus K. We have been seeing different models for share valuation. Yes or no? Bond valuation, no need for having model. It's a fixed cash flow, no need to follow any model. Simply discount what? Cash flow, get the value of the bond instrument. Like that. We have models for valuing share. We had, a way of valuing the bond and other instruments for a very long time. I'm saying really for a very long time. People were not able to know how to value an option. They are not able to value what? Option. Okay. So valuation of the option was found to be very difficult compared to valuation of other assets. Okay. Long time the breakthrough was not made in what valuation of the options. I'll tell you the reason why they felt it difficult to value. Because you may ask, what is so great? Yeah, value of any asset is what? Present value of the future cash flow. You somehow estimate a dividend and then what? Discount it to find the value of the share. Model may differ, but the concept is not like that. When you have an option on maturity date, some cash flows are there. It or not. Assign some probability, discount it, you get the value of the option. What is so great? A question may arise. The problem is, they are not able to identify a discount rate. For KE, we have CAPM and all. KE is equal to what? RF plus beta into RM minus RF. Risk return profile we had. SML we are having. So much we discuss or not. So for equity, that is what? A CAPM for us to understand a discount rate. For a debt, we have what? Yield to maturity. The government interest rates. Identify what? The discount rates. So discount rate identification, we had some methodology for what? Identifying for equity, debentures, etc. People had a problem in determining a discount rate for valuing the option. Discount rate for valuing what? Option. Okay. Now, later, one thing they found out. Option should be valued only at risk-free rate. Option should not be valued at a rate including risk premium. It should be valued only at what? Risk-free rate. The reason they say is, option gets the value from the share. A derivative option gets the value from what? Share. The share is already discounted for risk. So the risk of the share and risk of the option is not different. Both are what? Same. If the share price is very uncertain, the option cash flow also is what? Uncertain. The share value is what? Certain. Option value is also what? Certain. So the derivative does not get a separate value. It's a value from what? Underlying asset. If the underlying asset is discounted for risk, the derivative also has been automatically for what? Discounted for risk. Because from the spot price only, the option price comes. Tell me what is the value of the call option? Spot price minus present value of strike price. And the spot price, what is spot price? Present value of the future dividends or future FSPs, yes or no? So that present value is discounted at what rate? KE. Already discounted as what? Risk. So spot price is discounted for risk. Don't once again what? Discount for risk while valuing the option. Everybody understand what I am saying? And the strike price obviously what? Agreed amount only. That should be obviously discounted at what rate? Risk-free rate. So people now understood that option should not be discounted at a higher rate. Should be always. It should always discounted at what? Risk-free rate. Now onwards, any derivative instrument, tell me the rate of discounting. It should be only what? Risk-free rate, because underlying asset is already discounted for what? Risk. From there only they derive what? A value. A discounted asset gives you a value which is going to be what? Risk-free. So the option value should be only at what rate? Yeah? Risk-free rate is the first thing everybody came to a conclusion. Still confusion. The problem is, when I want to value, discount something at risk-free rate, the future cash flow will be certain. Correct? Now, problem is, option value, for example, call option, FSP minus strike price. It can either be 10, but suppose strike price is 70. FSP is 80. What happens? Exchange and what is the value? 10. FSP is 90. What is the value? 20. FSP is 60. What is the value? 0. We can have different values possible for an option or not. So the future cash flow of an option is uncertain. So they felt how an uncertain cash flow we will be able to discount at what? Risk-free rate. That also confusion was there. Now, they are now in paradox. They are caught in what? Dilemma. The paradox is they should discount the risk-free. What the paradox is? They should discount at what rate? Risk-free rate. That is decided because already the underlying asset has been discounted for what? Risk. The derivative derives the value from what? Underlying asset. So we should not discount once again at what? Risky rate. I'll consider risk twice is the first thing they are judged. Yes or no? But the problem is, if I want to discount a risk-free rate, I discount a Government of India bond because the cash flow is certain after 3 months. I can discount a zero coupon bond because cash flow is certain after what? 3 months. I cannot discount the option here because the option cash flow depends on what? The FSP, which is risky. So the cash flows are moving, but the rate should be what? The risk-free rate. How to discover what? The value of the option is a challenge. So no. Again, they discovered that the cash flows are moving not because of option, because of what? The share. So if you can combine a share and option into a portfolio and take out the share value, the balance will be what? The option value. That's how they started developing the models. Are you following? So what happens is, now they have developed some models where they are justified in using what? Risk-free rate, because they bring us to a situation where the cash flow becomes what? Risk-free, and then try to value the options. Some very interesting models are developed for valuing the options. In its 4 models are popular. One is called as binomial model. One is called as what? Binomial model. For that, an alternative is called as risk neutralization model. Both will give you the same answer, binomial and then what? Risk neutralization model. This binomial model is further developed into 2-period binomial model. Into one binomial model, 2-period binomial model. It becomes like a branch or a tree. The 2-period binomial tree, it becomes a multi-period binomial tree with infinite branches. That becomes what? A Black-Scholes model. Everybody following on? So this is the development of option valuation model, binomial model and risk neutralization model. Both are effectively what? Same objective, done in 2 ways, that's all. Then this became what? Binomial tree with a 2-period binomial model. Then an infinite period binomial model with a binomial tree with having infinite branches. That becomes what? The Black-Scholes model. Later, these are all the various option valuation model. Out of all the models, the most popular is Black-Scholes model. We go to the any option trading site, they'll have a calculator also there. They'll be having what? Black-Scholes calculator. You put the data into it, it gives you what? Option value straight away. You need not calculate it. Everybody says, no. So popular is this that Black-Scholes model is used till now everywhere in the option pricing. Even though criticism has come for what? Black-Scholes model, there's no how CAPM, APT criticized. APT is criticizing what? CAPM, but still people follow only what? CAPM for their lucidity and then what? Overall practicality. Yes or no? Same way, Black-Scholes model also till now there are people started criticizing what? Black-Scholes model, but still everywhere people use only the Black-Scholes model for option valuation. Everybody understanding it or not? Now, in this, today we'll be starting with this area called as what? Binomial model for option valuation. Now, give the heading, binomial model for option valuation. Okay. Today, steps predefined. No need to think. In the option chapter, we need not think. Everybody has what? Gave you everything. Only have to understand and do it. Okay. Now, binomial model. Today, I will give the steps and then what? Do a problem. We'll discuss this elaborately in the next class. We don't have a time for elaboration. We have only time for solving a question. Okay. Don't ask any doubt. All doubts will be cleared in the next class and discuss a logic elaborately about the binomial model. Can I proceed or not? Down. So I give the heading binomial model. Okay. I'll give the introduction also later in the next class since I don't have a time to introduce and then what have the problem done. Okay. Binomial model. Please. Steps in binomial model. Okay, shall I proceed or not? Now, this model, steps in binomial model, in that way, this model tries to find out call option value. This model tries to find out call option value using a portfolio. This model tries to find out call option value using a portfolio, tries to find out call option value using a portfolio, write a call. This model tries to find out call option value using a portfolio, write a call and hold delta shares. This model tries to find out call option value using portfolio, write a call and hold what? Delta shares. Don't ask questions and all, it'll predefined. Can I proceed? We'll be discussing the logic and all later. Now, write down in that step 1. Step 1, put a colon and write, calculate Step 1, calculate change in FSP. Step 1, calculate change in FSP and change in VC. Calculate change in FSP and change in VC. VC means what? Value of call. Calculate change in FSP and change in VC. Next, step 2, delta shares. Step 2, delta shares is equal to change in VC divided by change in FSP. Step 2, delta shares is equal to change in VC divided by change in FSP. Change in value of call divided by change in FSP. Can I proceed or not? Next, step 3. Step 3. Calculate future value of portfolio. Step 3. Calculate future value of portfolio. Step 3. Calculate future value of portfolio. Step 4. Calculate present value of portfolio. If I discount future value, I will be getting the present value. Step 4. Calculate present value of portfolio. Calculate present value of portfolio. Step 5. Calculate present value of delta shares. Step 5. Calculate present value of delta shares. Calculate present value of delta shares. Step 6. Last step. Step 6. Calculate value of call. Step 6. Calculate value of call. Step 6. Calculate value of call. Note. Put value is calculated using, or guessed here, put value is calculated using what? Put call parity equation. Once I know the call value, I know the swap price. Can't I find the put value or not? Put value is found out using put call parity equation. Put value is found out using put call parity equation. Put value is found out using put call parity equation. I want an answer. Everybody, are you following or not? Now, so you need not understand the steps, but by heart it will never change. The step will not never change. Once we do it, very simple, small, easy steps only. Logic will discuss in the next class. Just 1 minute time I will give you. By heart the 6 steps before you go for the problem in this regard. Now, please. 9:15 you have time. In 5 minutes I will complete this. Please. This is not right fab. Okay, no. What you are doing? By hearting it or not? Now, Soluppa. How many steps are there in this model? Before that, what portfolio the model assumes? Write a call and hold delta shares. Write a call and hold delta shares is the portfolio. Okay, now. Don't question why this portfolio. Logic later. Okay, now. 6 steps. First step is what? Change in VC and change in FSP. Step 2 is what? Delta shares. What the formula? Change in VC divided by change in FSP. Step 3 is what? Future value of portfolio. Step 4, present value of portfolio. Step 5, present value of delta share. Step 6, value of the call option. How to find the value of put option? Balancing figure in put call parity equation. Can we start or not? Now. Okay, now take question number 22. Take question number 22. Please. Shh. Now, if we remain silent, in another 10 minutes, I'll complete this particular problem. We can discuss a large. 8:55 are there. Please, don't talk. Shh. Find out call and put option value from the given information. Confirm the answer through put call parity equation. Same 20-second sum. I am using it for two models, binomial and then what? Risk neutralization. I am going to do the problem under binomial. 1, 2, 3, 4 questions are there. How many questions here? 4 questions. I will do 2 in the classroom. I'll give 2 as a homework. Okay. 1 will do today. Next will be doing after discussing the logic tomorrow. Can I proceed? Now, please. Shh. Spot price 100. Where I got this from? Share market. Strike price is 97. Option contract. Price on maturity is 90 or 108. Now, FSP, that is after 3 months, FSP can be 90 or 108. Understand that it is not 90 to 108. I am not saying it is what? 90 or 108. It is binomial. Only 2 events can happen. Either 90 or 108. Yes or no? Now, you ask sir, if it is 90 to 108, it becomes range now. It becomes multi-period binomial, it becomes Black-Scholes later. Everybody yes or no? No. Binomial can support only 2 FSPs. Upper FSP and then what? Lower FSP. We are not having any boundary. So the strike price can be what? 90 or 1. Will it be 95? Yeah? Will it be 107? No. It is either 90 or 108. We'll see real option later where this binomial can be used only when there are only 2 possible prices. Everybody follow what I am saying? So it is 90 or what? 108. Next. Term is 3 months. Interest rate is 12% per annum. Can we start or not? No. Okay. Now. Let us start with the solution together. Write down question number 22, part A. Please. Question 22, part A. Question 22, part A. Facts. We'll do it together. Facts. First of all, spot price. The share on this option is going to be created is having a price today at how much rupees? 100. I get it from the share market, the spot price 100. Strike price. What is the strike price here? 97. It is a price agreed today for a transaction to take place after 3 months. Okay. Call option, it is a agreed price, right to buy at what? 97. Next. Third is what? FSP. FSP is what? 90 or 108. Here dash line is not indicating 2, it is indicating what? You write straight away 90 or 108. That is much more better. Okay, 90 or 108. It is not 90 to 108. It is what? 90 or 108. Yes or no? No. Term of the option 3 months. The term of the option is 3 months. Interest rate 12%. Interest rate 12%. Now, tell me the portfolio. What is the portfolio? Write a call and hold delta shares. Hold how many shares? The delta shares we found out later in step number 2. Forget it. So, at present you know one thing. Write a call. Write one call and hold how many shares here? Delta share. We'll define it later. Can I proceed or not? Now, let's write step number 1. Step number 1. Step number 1. Have the following column, situation, FSP, VC. Situation, FSP and then value of call. Okay, can we start or not? No. Situation 1. FSP can be how much rupees? 108. It can be what? 108. Here write 90 not an issue. I just wrote what? 108. Upper first. FSP is equal to 108. Now, stop writing. You are a holder of a call, writer of a call. You will decide, other party will decide. Other party has got a right to buy at what? 97. Will he buy at 97 share worth 108? Yes. Will he exercise or not? Yes. He will get how much benefit? Number board, yeah. How much rupees? 11 rupees. He will get 11 benefit. I will lose what? 11. For him, the call is worth 11. For me, the call is worth what? Minus 11. Always right, the call is liability. Yes or no? So, what is the worth of the call here? Minus 11. So, the value of the call is minus 11 for me. So, don't say I am only calculating value of the call. I am finding the value of the call today. That's the value of the call after what? 3 months. This is the issue. So, after 3 months, my call value can be what? Minus 11 or Number 2, what is the FSP? 90. Will I decide? He will decide. He will decide. He has a right to buy at what? 97. A share worth 90. Will he exercise or lapse? Then the call becomes what? Zero value. Understand that for a holder only, call gives a value. But the writer call is always having what? Negative value. For that only, we are going to find out the premium. Since my value is minus 11 and 0, I should charge some premium for that. Yes or no? That is what I want to discuss now in this problem. Right or not? Now. So it is minus 11, 0. Now, change. Okay. When the FSP changes by 18, you forget the sign and all. Okay, and the FSP is how much base here? 18. The call changes by 11. Sign insensitive. I'm just seeing only that change. Okay, change can be upward or downwards. FSP changes by 18. The call changes by 11. So this 11 is change in VC. This 18 is what? Change in FSP. Follow the step alone. Logic later. Can you listen or not? Now, next step. Step 1 or step 2? Step 2. Calculation of delta shares. Step 2. Calculation of delta shares. Calculation of delta shares. I forgot the formula. What is delta equal to what? Change in VC divided by change in FSP. Delta share is equal to change in value of call divided by change in FSP. The word triangle means what? Change. Triangle indicates what? Delta. Delta is one of the techniques used in Greeks later, okay? Change in VC divided by change in FSP. Now, please. What divided by what? 11 divided by 18. Is equal to 11 divided by 18. It is not plus the divided here. In one notebook, they copied plus. For space, 11 divided by 8. When I get Xerox, now I find all this. Can I say it? Now, how much number? 0.6111 shares. 0.6111 share. Don't round down to 1 share and all. We can trade in lots and convert it. Yes or no? So, you have to write the number as decimals. 0.6111 shares. We don't have any liberty to round off any numbers. Can I say 0.6111 shares? Please, can I proceed or not? Now, how many steps are there? 6. What is over here? 2 steps. What is step number 1? Change in VC. Step 2 is what? Step 1 is change in FSP. Step 2 is what? Delta shares. Now, you tell me my portfolio. What is my portfolio? I have written one call option. I have written what? One call option. I am holding what? 0.6111 shares. You know what I am saying? So, my portfolio is consisting of 2 items. One is a call, another is what? Share. The share I have purchased, call I have what? Sold. How many calls I have sold? 1 call I have sold. How many shares I have purchased? 0.6111 shares I have purchased. Can you tell me my portfolio? I am holding 0.6111 shares. I have sold or written what? 1 call option. Is my portfolio? Yes or no? No. This portfolio should have a value after 3 months. Yes or no? Should be having maturity value or not? Now, next step 2 or step 3? Step 3. Maturity value of portfolio or future value of portfolio. Both are same. Maturity value of portfolio. Maturity value of portfolio or future value of portfolio. Okay. Can I proceed or not? Now, have the following column: situation, FSP, share value, call value, portfolio value. Finish copying up? Now, first, one by one. Situation 1, FSP 108. On maturity date, 2 things can happen. FSP can be 108 or 90. Can it be 95, 96? No. It is only 2 numbers, 108 or 90. Suppose FSP 108. Tell me, I am holding how many shares? If I am having 1 share, my wealth is 108. I am having only how many shares here? 0.6111 share. My share worth is how much here? 0.611 into 108 gives you 66. Right, share value 66. 108 into 0.6111 shares. 108 into 0.6111 shares. Now, If I am holding only share, my wealth is how much? 66. I am holding only share, also writing a call. Writing a call. Now, as I am writing a call, tell me, I will decide, other party will decide, other party. Will he exercise or lapse? Exercise. For him, the value is what? 11. For me, the value is what? Minus 11. The call value is minus 11. So, if I have only call, my portfolio value is minus 11. If I have only share, the value is how much? 66. I have a share and then what? Call writing. So, what is my portfolio value? 55. The portfolio value is 55. The portfolio value is 55. Innappa, right or not? No. Next, point number 2, or situation 2. Share price need not be 108, can even be what? 90. Okay. If I hold one share, what is my wealth? 90. I have one share less than 1, less than 1. How many shares I am having? 0.6111. Tell me what is 90 into 0.6111? 55. 90 into 0.6111 shares gives you 55. My share is 55. Tell me, other party will exercise or lapse? For him the call is worthless. For me also escape. So no. What the call value? 0. What the portfolio value? 55. Portfolio value is 55. From this we understand that the portfolio is riskless. Whatever may be the FSP 108 or 90, always my portfolio value remains what? Unchanged. This is a risk-free portfolio. Now discounted, no problem. I can discount at risk-free. One thing is, in option valuation calculation, always the discount rate should be what? Risk-free rate. I want to use a risk-free discount rate or not. So, what the persons have done is, they constructed a portfolio which is what? Risk-free. Why it became risk-free, we will discuss in next class. The portfolio is risk-free. Hence, the 55 is the value tomorrow. I have to calculate what? Value today. When I want to discount the 55 from 3 months to today, I should use what rate? KE, risk-free rate. Why? Because portfolio is what? Risk-free, having 0 risk, no standard deviation. If I discount the risk-free rate, I will be getting what? The value of the portfolio today. In the value of portfolio today, I know the value of that share because today's spot price is 100, 0.611 shares. Yes or no? If I knock out the value of the share from the value of the portfolio, the balance is value of the call option. Are you following? Now, ரொம்ப simple. 55 is the value of this portfolio. Today's value, tomorrow's value. Future value is 55. I want to find out present value. I have discount or not? Should I worry about discount rate? No need to worry. Why no need to worry? Risk-free portfolio. I can use what? Risk-free rate. If I discount 55 to today, some number will come. That's the value of the portfolio today or not? In that portfolio, 2 items are there. One is what? Call. Another is what? Share. From the value of portfolio, if I reduce what? The spot value of the share which I am holding, the balance is what? Value of the call option, matter over. I am here to value on the call option only. That becomes the value of the call option where I valued a call using a risk-free rate. But I could not discount using risk-free rate because I cannot discount 11 using risk-free rate. The reason is, it can be 11 or what? 0, uncertain. But I discount a portfolio using what? Risk-free rate by making it as a risk-free portfolio and then able to find out the balance value of the call option. Yes or no? Now, look at this. Next, step 2 or step 3? Step 4. Write down step 4. Present value of portfolio. Okay. Step 4. Present value of portfolio. Present value of portfolio. Write down. The future value of the portfolio. The future value of portfolio is certain. The future value of portfolio is certain and not influenced by FSPs. The future value of portfolio is certain and not influenced by FSPs. FSP means what? Future spot price. The future value of portfolio is certain and not influenced by FSPs. Hence, to calculate present value, we can use. Hence, to calculate present value, we can use. To calculate present value, we can use what rate? Risk-free rate. To calculate present value, we can use risk-free rate. Nobody should ask a risk premium for this portfolio because it's a 0 standard deviation portfolio. So no. So we should discount at what rate here? Risk-free rate. Right now. Next. E power R is equal to, or e power TR is equal to, e power TR is equal to e power, how many months? 3 by 12, e power 3 by 12 into 0.12. E power TR is equal to e power 3 by 12 into 0.12. Is equal to how much? 1.0305. is equal to 1.0305. I want e power r e power minus t r minus t r. I have to discount it, yes or no? Now write down. Present value is equal to 55 into 55 the future value. 55 into 1 by 1.0305. You want to be more accurate, 1.03045. 1.0305. 55 into 1 by 1.0305. Can tell me what the present value of the portfolio? 53.37. Present value of the portfolio is 53.37. This portfolio is worth 55 after 3 months. What are the portfolio today? 53.37. Discounting at discovery rate because it is a certain portfolio. Are you following what I am saying? Now, last 2 small steps. Step number 5 or 6 or 5. Present value of delta shares. Present value of delta shares. Step 5. Present value of delta shares. Present value of delta shares. Can I proceed or not? Now, tell me, what is the present value of 1 share? Don't do calculation because spot price. Somebody asks you what is the value of TCS share today? The spot price. So present value of 1 share is what? Spot price. How much is 100. I am holding 1 share, 0.611 shares, 611 shares. So the present value of delta shares is delta shares into what? Spot price. Yes or no? So write down. PV of delta share is equal to delta shares into spot price. Present value of delta shares is equal to delta shares into spot price. Present value of delta shares is equal to delta shares into spot price. Multiply 0.611 shares into 0.6111 shares into 100. Spot price is 100. You need not do discounting and all. Value of the share today is a spot price. What is the amount here? 61.11. Present value of delta share is equal to 61.11. Is equal to 61.11. Answer me, yes or no? Now, I know the value of the delta shares. I know the portfolio value. The balance figure is what? Call value. The last step. Step 6. Value of call. I think I am writing along with me. Step 6 is what? Value of call. Okay. Value of portfolio is equal to, I have 2 items in the portfolio. Value of portfolio is equal to value of call plus value of delta shares. Value of portfolio is equal to value of call plus value of delta shares. Value of portfolio is equal to value of call plus value of delta shares. Which is equal to, what is value of portfolio? 53.37. 53.37 is equal to value of call plus 61.11. 53.37 is equal to value of call plus 61.11. Knock it off. What is value of the call? 7.74. Value of the call is equal to 7.74. Plus 7.74 minus. So don't write minus. Write as what? 7.74. The meaning of minus will be discussed in the next class. Okay. So value of the call is how much? 7.74. So what should be the right premium for the call option? 7.7. What is second? Tell me, what is the portfolio? Write the call, hold delta share. Step 1. Change in VC, change in FSP. Step 2. Delta shares. Formula. Change in VC by change in FSP. Step 3 is what? Future value of portfolio. Step 4 is what? Present value of portfolio. Step 5 is present value of delta share. Step 6 is value of call option.